Okay guys, after like 3 months, I finally got my hands on the cyberflare pink zombie. This is a really cool color design. I love the colors, how they pop on this one. Turns out all I need is a Toro Loco and I'm done for this mix. Onto the mix 46 whenever I find it here. There's a zombie. Cyberflare. A little skull there. Let's open it. Ooh, nice. So, here it is, guys. The pink zombie. I love the colors. It's yellow tires, blue rims and beadlocks, purple brocades, blue chassis. Let's get to the zombie detail. Look at the detail on that. The brain has like 8-bit, or no, like a computer. The yellow part, really nice. The pink arms. Zombie in blue letters. The tattered clothing is also like a different rainbow color Mouse Jam logo. Zombie on the back in blue neon letters. It's like the 80s neon colors, which is nice. Pretty cool. I love the green hair right here. Really awesome zombie. And this one's getting a 1/24 scale release, which I want to be on a hunt for. Also, Rec Deck is coming out 1/24 scale. So without further ado, guys, that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.